Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss progesterone hormone. Progesterone is secreted by corpus luteum in the second part of the menstrual cycle. Small amounts are also secreted by the testes in the male and the adrenal cortex in both sexes, and large amounts are secreted by the placenta. Progesterone, natural hormone, secreted by corpus luteum in the second part of menstrual cycle. Large amounts are secreted by placenta, and small amounts are secreted by adrenal cortex, present in both male and female, and testes in male. Progesterone is the major natural progestin. It is secreted by ovary, mainly by the corpus luteum during the second half of the menstrual cycle. Following are the physiological effects produced by progesterone. It helps in the development of the endometrium. Endometrium, the mucosal lining of the placenta, development of the mammary gland during pregnancy. Milk secretion starts when its level decreases with birth. Thermogenic action is produced by progesterone. Progesterone is mainly secreted by the corpus luteum of the ovary. Adrenal cortex, present in both males and females, excretes small amount of progesterone. Testes in male also secrete small amount of progesterone. Placenta secrete a major amount of progesterone. Progestin include the naturally occurring hormone progesterone, that is 17-alpha acetoxyprogesterone. Progesterone derivatives include 19 nortestosterone derivative and norgestrel and related compounds in the gonane series. Structure of progesterone. It contains cyclohexene, there is presence of acetoxy group. Numbering will start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There is presence of one hydrogen. There is 13 position CH3 group, 10 position CH3 group. There is hydrogen, two methyl groups. That is the structure of progesterone. The structure of progesterone derivative, that is 17 nortestosterone, is that there is presence of hydroxyl group, that is present beta 17 position, and there is presence of methyl group. That is the structure of 17 nortestosterone derivative of progesterone. Prostrogens are of two types, that is natural progesterone and synthetic progestins. Pregnenolone is a progestin and it is a precursor to all other steroid hormones. Pregnenolone is a prohormone. Progesterone favors pregnancy by preventing endometrial shedding. Progesterone reduces uterine motility. Progesterone inhibits immunological reaction towards the fetus. Site of synthesis of progesterone inside human beings. Female, male, small amount of progesterone is secreted by testes and adrenal cortex. During pregnancy, placenta secretes progesterone. Corpus luteum of ovary secretes major amount of progesterone and adrenal cortex. As you know, cholesterol is the major precursor for the synthesis of most steroid hormones. So I will draw the structure of cholesterol, and from cholesterol you will form pregnenolone, and pregnenolone is ultimately converted into progesterone. That is presence of methyl group, presence of double bond, there is presence of OH group. The numbering will start from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is presence of double bond between 5 and 6 carbon. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There is a long 8-membered side chain. That is 18. That is 19. That is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So 27 carbons are present in cholesterol structure. An enzyme cleavage the side chain of cholesterol and a prohormone is found, that is called pregnenolone. So I will draw the structure of pregnenolone. There is alpha 17 acetoxy group, that is acetyl group or acetoxy group. There is presence of CH3, CH3H, H. So there are 4 hydrogens, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the structure of pregnenolone. that is a prohormone, from which you can, because it is a precursor for the synthesis of many other steroid hormones. An enzyme 3-beta hydroxylase steroid dehydrogenase will convert that pregnenolone hormone, that is a prohormone, into progesterone. So I will draw the structure of progesterone. The double bond which is present between 5 and 6 carbon will move towards this carbon, and there is double bond, and hydroxyl group will be converted into ketonic group, and that group is converted into acetyl or acetoxy group. That is the structure of progesterone, and that is synthesized with the help of enzyme 3-beta hydroxy steroid dehydrogenase, that is H3-beta HSD. Hypothalamus secretes gonadotropin hormone, and that gonadotropin hormone influences anterior pituitary gland, which secretes follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. These hormones influence ovaries to secrete progesterone. Progesterone is released hypothalamus release gonadotropin releasing hormone. It influences anterior pituitary and interior pituitary releases FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, and LH, and they in turn influence ovary, and it releases progesterone. Males secrete 1 to 5 mg per day of progesterone, and its plasma level reaches to 0.03 microgram per dl. In females during the follicular phase, the level is only slightly higher than that of males, but during the luteal phase, the plasma level ranges from 0.5 to 2 microgram per dl, which is peak in the third trimester of pregnancy. Males 1 to 5 mg per day, and plasma level reaches 0.03 microgram per dl. Females follicular stage, it is slightly higher than males, but in luteal stage progesterone level in female reaches from 0.5 to 2 microgram per dl, and reaches to its peak at third trimester of pregnancy. The progesterone receptor is a progestin activated steroid receptor, also known as NR3C3. So the progesterone receptor is progestin activated steroid receptor, also known as NR3C3, that is nuclear receptor subfamily 3. Group C, member 3. It is an intracellular receptor. It exists in two isoforms, that is progesterone receptor A and progesterone receptor B. It is an intracellular receptor. Exists in two isoforms, PR A, progesterone receptor A, and progesterone receptor B. Progesterone receptor is expressed in following organs, that is central nervous system, endocrine, gastrointestinal, immune, reproductive, cardiovascular, respiratory, uterus, ovary, cerebellum, spinal cord, and hypothalamus. Progestin receptors are present in the nucleus of the target cell, that is in the female genital tract, breast, CNS, and pituitary. When progesterone binds with the progesterone receptor undergoes dimerization. That progesterone dimer form attaches itself to progesterone response element of target cells. Progesterone response element of target cell regulates the transcription through co-activators. Mechanism of action of progesterone on PR receptor is as follows. That is cytoplasm, that is progesterone. Progesterone is assisted by HSP, that is heat shock protein 19, to the progesterone receptors. Heat shock protein 90, and that assists the progesterone to reach progesterone receptor, and that progesterone receptor ultimately dimerizes. One form contain 59 and other form contain 23 amino acid. That is an inactive complex. Ultimately undergoes dimerization. That dimer form of progesterone receptor will attach itself to the PRE, progesterone response elements of target gene. That is PRE, progesterone response element of target gene. That gene will regulate transcription through co-activators. Transcription. What are the various physiological functions performed by the progesterone in various parts of the body? In uterus, progesterone brings about the secretory changes in the endometrium. In cervix, progesterone causes the production of viscid cervical secretions. In vagina, it causes leukocyte infiltration in the epithelium. In breast, progesterone causes the proliferation of the acini in the mammary gland. In CNS, high level of progesterone causes sedation. The effect of progesterone on body temperature is that it causes a mild 0.5 rise in body temperature. Effect of progesterone on metabolism is that it impairs glucose tolerance, that may lead to raised LDL and lower HDL level. Progesterone stimulates respiration. The effect of progesterone on pituitary gland is that they have anti-ovulatory activity by reducing luteinizing hormone secretions. There are two types of progesterone derivatives, that is progesterone derivative 21 carbon and 19 nortestosterone derivative, that is 18th carbon. Progesterone derivative 21 carbon are pure progestins. They have weaker anti-ovulatory action and they are used as adjuvants with estrogens for hormone replace therapy, threatened absorption and endometriosis. 19 nortestosterone derivatives of progesterone have weak estrogenic, androgenic and anabolic activity but have potent anti-ovulatory action. They are mainly used in combined contraceptive pills like desogestrel and norgestimate. These are prodrugs. Progesterone undergo high first pass metabolism, hence mostly given by intramuscularly in oily solution. As they have short half-life in the plasma, so usually prescribed for twice or thrice daily administration. A micronized preparation of progesterone is usually rapidly absorbed after its administration by any route. Progesterone is extensively bound to plasma protein, primarily albumins 50 to 54%, and cortisol binding protein 43 to 48%. Progesterone on metabolism is reduced to pregnane-diol, pregnane-triol and pregnane-nonol. On subsequent conjugation results in the formation of glucuronide and sulfate metabolites. These metabolites of progesterone, that is pregnane-diol, pregnane-triol and pregnane-nolone, are excreted either through urine, bile or feces. Now we will discuss the structure-activity relationship of progesterone. Steroidal molecule is essential for the activity, that is that steroidal molecule is essential for the activity. Any substitution adds 17 carbon with ethanyl, with ethyl, with methyl reduces the activity. If you, for example, replace that acetoxy or acetyl group with ethanyl or ethyl or methyl group, will reduce the activity. Ethindrone is more active orally than progesterone. Ethindrone is the presence of, you will replace that acetyl group with OH and acetylene. That is called ethindrone. If you replace acetyl group with hydroxyl group and acetylene, you will form ethindrone, and ethindrone is more orally active than progesterone. Removal of CH3 at this position of carbon will make norethindrone more active and potent. If you introduce hydroxyl group and acetylene group at 17 position along with the removal of that alkyl group, that will make norethindrone more active and potent. Unsaturation of the B and C ring will make androstenedione derivatives more potent. If you bring any kind of unsaturation on B and C ring, that will make androstenedione derivative more potent. The drug duration of action becomes longer if you bring acetylation at the 17th position of hydroxyl group of beta hydroxyl group of norethindrone. Clinical uses of progestins are as follows. It rectifies hormonal deficiency and hormone replace therapy. Progestins or progesterones are used as contraceptives. Progesterone control uterine dysfunctional bleeding. Progesterone are helpful in the treatment of dysmenorrhea. Progesterone causes suppression of postpartum lactation. Progesterone is used in the treatment of in the management of endometriosis. Progesterone is used in the treatment of endometrial carcinoma.